Hey guys, this is RTX Meatler, and in today's video I'm gonna be showing you guys how you can change specifications of your PC. Now this works with almost all Windows operating systems. Now this trick is temporary. Basically you'll be able to change the specifications of your PC temporarily. After you shut down your PC and restart it, the specifications would be normal. Now this trick can be used to make your friends fool that you have got i7 processor, you have got a really high-end processor. You can make your friends fool like that. But as I said, this trick is temporary, so whenever you want to make your friends fool, make sure you change the specifications and don't turn your computer off, because if your computer will be turned off and then when you'll turn it on, then the specifications would be normal. So you need to do this every time when you open your computer if you want to perform this trick and make your friends fool, or you basically want to do this trick for some other purposes. So it's pretty easy to do that. For this you need to open an application known as Run. It's a well-known application installed in almost all Windows operating systems. As you can see, this is Run. Simply open it. Here you need to open Regedit, REGEDIT. No caps lock, no spaces. After that, press enter, press yes, and here you can see, let me tell you where do you need to go. Okay, so it's gonna appear like this. So what you need to do here is to go on HKey local machine, press here, then you need to go on hardware, press here, then you need to go on description, and after that you need to go on system, then you need to go on central processor and select any one of this. Then you need to double click on this processor name string and change the processor name. So I'm gonna be making it i9-7980XE. okay, this is a really high-end CPU. Basically this is a type of workstation CPU and a really fast CPU. This is really expensive, almost $1,000 to $1,200, or you can say 900 pounds, or about 2 lakh Indian rupees, or 1,70,000 Indian rupees. So yeah, this is a temporary trick. Whenever you will restart your computer, it would be normal. So whenever you want to make your friends fool, or you want to do this for some other purposes, you need to do it every time when you open your computer. So press OK. As you can see, now cut this and then right click on your computer and press on properties. You can see i9-7980XE. So you can make your friends fool with this trick, or you can do this trick for some other purposes. But when you will restart your computer or shut down your computer and then restart it, then this would be normal again. So whenever you want to do this, you need to do this again and again whenever you restart or shut down and restart your computer. So yeah guys, thanks for watching this video. Like, share, subscribe. Bye, I'll catch you in my next video. Until then, peace, have a nice day ahead. Bye bye for now.